What's up, Peak Timers? It's case unboxing time, and I know I'm a little bit late, but we have the 2021 Hot Wheels B case. It has finally arrived, so let's go ahead and unbox it. The regular treasure hunt for this case is the Street Wiener, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Corvette Grand Sport. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll pull out our first few cars. And our first one that we see right here is the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder. Then we followed it up with the Fig Rig. And then we have a really cool looking 1970 Dodge Power Wagon. A cool start to the case. Let's go ahead and see what we have up top right here. We've got the 68 Mustang. This is a tuned out version of the Mustang. Then we've got the Hyper Fin, and that's a brand new casting for 2021. And we have the Toyota Off-Road Truck, new color variation for 2021 as well. And what else do we have right here? We've got the 1980 El Camino Art Cars, a very cool looking artwork piece to that one. Definitely a neat looking one. Carbonator right there. And we have Cloak and Dragger, all brand new color for that one. It looks like a glow in the dark one. It is, yes. And let's go ahead and pop up the top right here. We've got Buns of Steel. Very, very cool looking car. My little daughters really like that car, the fast foodie Buns of Steel. And we've got RV There Yet, a new color variation. It looks like it's got a Zamac back finish to this one, and then the yellow front on it, pretty neat. We've got a new color for the 1996 Porsche Carrera in white. Very, very cool. And let's see what else we have up here. We've got High Roller. Very cool looking one. And we've got the Nash, and the Nash is from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. You can see it right there. It's the winner of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. I think it was the 2019 winner, if I'm not mistaken, of the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. And then we have a brand new casting, the Party Wagon right here. And we did see this one in a premium, but now we have it in a mainline. Very, very cool looking car. Really, really like this one. Hot Wheels Screen Time is the one that it comes from. And then moving down to these next few here, we've got the tuned twin mill right there. We've got two different variations of the tuned twin mill, both the same, but two different cars. And then we have the Corvette Grand Sport, and this looks to be the regular, not the super treasure hunt, but it would be a super treasure hunt variation of this one. But there we go. That's the mainline variation. Let's go ahead and move on to our next one here. We've got another one of the Toyota off-road trucks. I really like that one. It's a nice looking one. Then we have the Nissan 300ZX twin turbo in that new blue colored variation. Very, very cool looking car. And then we have the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect. There we go, with that little cool Pet Boys guy, or I'm not really sure exactly which guy it is on there, but pretty neat looking, nice looking car there. And what else do we have here? We've got Rockin' Santa sled in a new color variation. There's the white top right there, and it's from the Xmas delivery 2020. You can see right there. And then we've got the Dodge van, nice looking new Dodge van color, and then a recolor of the Volvo 850 Estate in red. Awesome looking. I really, really like this one. We finally get a clean variation of this car. We did see it release in white, and then I think it was like a gray color, but it had a lot of graphics and stuff on the side. So it's nice to see a nice one come out in like a very clean looking look to it in this red here. So I like that. What else do we have? There's the Street Wiener. I think this one might be the treasure hunt, if I'm not mistaken. I think it might be. I can't remember exactly. I think it is. We've got the Volvo 850 Estate, another one of those ones. It's the Carbonator. So Street Wiener, Carbonator. We've got those ones in there. What else do we have right here? We've got the Road Bandit, brand new color of that one. That's from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. And then we've got the 1970 Volkswagen Baja Bug. And that's that tuned up variation. I like these like kind of mud looking tires on there, and that's from the Baja Blazers series right there. But a tuned out Volkswagen Bug we can see right there. A lot of people are really looking forward to this one. This is a Star Wars car. It is the X34 Land Speeder, so that's a pretty neat looking one. Very, very cool, very different looking car nonetheless, but nice to see in the Hot Wheels lineup. Brand new Jaguar, the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. There it is, that brand new casting. Really, really like that one. Looks really good. We've got the Poison Arrow right there, and then another one of the Nissan 300ZX twin turbos. All right, good cars so far in this case. What else do we have down here? We've got the Quick Bite And we've got that new color variation. It's the Holiday Racers. This is the New Year's variation of it, so you can see all the different types of fireworks and stuff that's on that one right there. Then we have the 32 Ford Uno Edition Mattel Games. That's a new series for 2021. And we have the Hot Wheels Formula Solar Xpera Motors car. That's a new color variation of that one. So that's our first half of the case. Let's go down, take this little piece of paper out right here, and start on to our next half. Come on, get out of there. There we go. And we'll start it off on our next half right up here. There's another one, the Corvette Grand Sports. Again, that's just the mainline variation. Does not look like the Treasure Hunt at all. It is not. Super Treasure Hunt, sorry, I meant that. And then we have the 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. I really, really like that car. Definitely a good color, recolor of that from this case. Definitely like to see those ones. We've seen the first release in red. Now we're starting to get more recolors of it. 1970 Dodge Power Wagon again. Love that car. Glad to see another one of those. What else do we have up here? There's another one of the Dodge Vans and another Porsche 944 Turbo and another one of the 80 El Caminos. So we've seen those ones already. Put those aside. What else do we have? There's another one of the Porsche Carreras, and we have Aeropod with the dinosaur graphics and all that stuff on there. Pretty neat looking. And we've got the Retroactive, very cool looking like race car from the Trackstar set. So that might go down really fast down our track. We'll have to find out in the future though. Let's go ahead and see what else we have here. We've got Zombot. Zombot, there's that guy right there. And we've got the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile and the Party Wagon again. Another one of the Party Wagons. I love these Party Wagons. So there we go. Let's see what else we have here. We have the Quad Rod. We've got the Land Rover Defender 90s. Wow, these ones look really, really cool. I really like the color variation of that one. We're also getting another one. I think it's in blue with the same sort of mud wheels and tires on there. I just love all the new recolors of this car. This is one of my favorite castings from last year that came out. Glad to see some new recolors coming out, and we have more of them to come in the future as well. We've got the Rigger Motor. There we go, Rigger Motor. The Mattel Dreammobile and the Hollinator right there. There we go. Awesome. And what else do we have? There's another one of the 68 Mustangs. We've got another Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect and another one of the Road Bandits. All right, and what else do we have here? The Toyota AE86 Sprinter Truno. Sorry, it's a little bit of a tongue twister there for a second. We did see this one in the A case, but it's back in the B case. The T-Rex Troyer, and there's another one of those Nash cars there. So we got two of those in that case as well. What else do we have down here? We've got the Hyper Fin. Very, very cool. Love the Hyper Fin. The 32 Ford again, and we've got the return of the Barbie Dream Camper. We saw it in the A case, now it's in the B case as well. Really, really like this car. My daughters actually really like this. I gave them one of them from my previous case, and they really enjoyed it. Obviously, it's Barbie, but we've got the Cool Combi. There we go, the Hello Kitty Cool Combi. That's a pretty neat one. Lots of Hello Kitty cars we've seen recently. We saw a Honda Civic and Hello Kitty. Now we've got the Cool Combi Hello Kitty, Batman Arkham Knight, and another one of the Fig Rigs, which we saw previously in this case as well. What else do we have down here? There's another one of those Jaguar F-Types, the 2020 Jaguar F-Types. Then we've got the Triumph TR6, really cool looking, nice looking car right there. I really, really do like that. And the Tankinator. All right, Tankinator. And we've got our last three cars down at the bottom right here. Let's see what we have. We've got the 64 Corvette Stingray, two of them in that red color right there. And then we also do have the T-Rex Troyer again. Guys, that's going to wrap up this 2021 Hot Wheels B case. Let me know in the comment section down below which was your favorite car. More videos to come on this case. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.